Ready to lead the idyllic Leeds life? Introducing Triangle, the perfect blend of high living, convenience, and comfort. Take your pick from a wide range of ensuite rooms and shared as well as independent apartments, tailored according to your preferences. Each room opens up to a snug bed and spacious wardrobes. Plus, stack your books on the shelves or watch your favorite shows on the TV. What's more, say goodbye to laundry hassles with the in-house laundry facility. Plus, practical amenities such as lifts and car parking keep daily life hassles at a minimum. The ultimate part, however, is the inclusion of utility bills within the rent, making your stay super cost-efficient. And when it's time to unleash that academic side of yours, Leeds University Business School and Leeds City College are both a 12-minute stroll away. And when hunger strikes, head to Domino's Pizza at Burley Road, Mangiaro's Restaurant, or Foodie, all of which are hop, skip, and jump away. On weekends, party with your pals at Brunel Social Club or Carbo Leeds, both of which are a pleasant ride away. Plus, the close proximity of Triangle to various bus stops and train stations makes it the ideal abode to explore the vibrant life at Leeds. So it's about time you move into your dream abode. Head over to amberstudent.com right now to secure the stay of a lifetime at Triangle Leeds, the epitome of perfection.